Substrate prep for floors is a constant topic of discussion in the tile industry as well as the floor covering industry. But what about substrate prep for walls? Tiles have been installed on walls for thousands of years, and now we're starting to see other products such as luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank being installed on walls. But the topic of substrate prep for walls rarely comes up. Industry standards for the installation of ceramic tile, as laid out in ANSI A108.02, call out specific tolerances for the flatness of both the floor and wall installations. For any tile with an edge of 15 inches or longer, the maximum allowable variation of the wall substrate is an 1/8 of an inch over 10 feet and a 1/16 of an inch over 2 feet. The challenge is that the masons, framers, and drywall contractors who build these walls are rarely held to such strict tolerances. Traditional methods for flattening or floating out walls have involved multiple steps of scratch coats and render coats. Yet these individual steps take time that modern construction schedules often don't allow for. Mapei developed Planetop 330 Fast with these challenges in mind. This product is a quick-setting, polymer-modified, fiber-reinforced cementitious rendering, patching, and leveling mortar for floors, walls, and even submerged areas. It can be applied from an 1/8 of an inch to an 1.25 inches and doesn't require a scratch coat. You can install tile over it in as little as 90 minutes and install liquid waterproofing membrane over it in as little as 2 hours. Now you can prep your walls as quickly and easily as you can a floor, and you can get those vertical installations back on the fast track. For more information, call 800-992-6273 or visit our website.